Welcome. This home maximizes light and attracts birds. Inside, sunlight results outside. This yard is designed to attract birds with open spaces and flower beds. The seating areas provide a spot to relax and watch them. Welcome. This front yard features greenery and flowers selected to invite birds, and these soft wild mahogany. These side areas serve as access paths and provide hidden storage. The green hedges and gardens attract birds while ensuring our privacy. Here's our open, covered patio with outdoor dining, and then with their patch. The back windows face right onto the garden. Here is our neutral cabinetry and wide work surfaces. And these garden-facing windows, the wood and stone add warmth. Here is the neutral cabinetry for seamless surfaces are perfect for preparing meals, and the garden windows bring in natural light. Welcome to the bedroom. The calm nature Kurt Solomon, and these plants connect us to nature.